Hello guys, this is Gio, and today we're gonna pick the Kwikset Generation 2. So this is a key which came with the lock when I bought it, and as you can see the bitting is not very interesting. So instead I reprogrammed the lock to fit that key, which has I think more interesting bitting. Not very good, but not too bad at the same time, so let's give it a shot. Alright, picking time. Let's zoom in. Alright. Let's start. Oops, sorry. Camera is falling down. Alright, stay in place. Okay, so pin 1 is sure, start again. Okay. Pin 3 is binding. Okay, pin 3 is set. Pin 1 is binding. Pin 1 is set. Pin 2 is set. Pin 3 fall. Dropped as usual. The pins dropped very easily on this lock. Okay, I think 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good. Let's get to 4. Okay, 4 is set, but pin 2 dropped, so pin 1 dropped. Okay, pin 1 is set. Pin 2 and there you go. Alright, less than 3 minutes, not too bad. Okay, so now let's pop this lock open. So camera, this, perfect. So focus, there we go. Whoops, I stop moving. Ok. Ah, tabarnak. Et voilà. Let's just put that back. All right. So this is a lock. Okay, so I have no idea how we pop that open. Oh, okay, I need to remove that. Pain in the butt. Come on. Ah, that core is all greasy and stuff. Gotta wash my hands after that. Don't want to catch cancer or some shit. Okay, so oops. What is how do I I know we can remove something from here, but forgot why. What? Oh yeah, alright. Yeah. You need to remove that from the... And I think you need the key for that. There we go. Okay, so this is... let's zoom in. This is the sidebar. Okay, so you can see all the pins are here. And those are the kind of small wafers that take care of the sidebar here. So yeah. Okay, I won't go farther than that. I heard if you remove that stuff here, it's a little bit annoying to put everything back. Don't want to mess with those pins. So yeah, this is it for you, the Kwikset Smartkey Generation 2. So thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed.